The 2015 Mercedes E-Class. Some predict the future. We prefer to build it. The Mercedes E-Class is an impressive ride, very smooth and punchy. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, security system, CD player, trip computer, power windows, brake assist, remote keyless entry, power moonroof. Come see the car for yourself.